How to activate REI Mastercard. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your REI Mastercard. The REI Mastercard is a credit card offered by REI in partnership with US Bank. Here's how you can activate your REI Mastercard. First of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once the browser is opened, at the search bar or the address bar, type in the URL rei.capital1.com. Make sure to enter the correct website name here. Now once you have typed in this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a second, you will land on the official page of REI. Here in this page, you will find sign in button. You will need to click on this button in order to sign in to your account. If you haven't set up your account previously, then you will need to click on the set up my account option and create an account. So now click on this sign in button right here and you will be taken to a new page. Here you will be presented with the login interface. Here in the first box, you will need to enter your username. And in the second box, you need to enter the password of your account. Make sure you enter the correct credentials here. If in case you don't remember your username or password, then you may click on this forgot username or password option at the bottom and recover your account by following the on-screen prompts. Now after entering all your credentials, if you want your username to be remembered for future logins, you may click on this Remember Me box right here. Once doing that, your username will be remembered in the future logins. Now after entering all your credentials, click on this sign in button right here to sign into your account. Now once you are signed into your account, look for the card activation section here. Once you find it, click on it and then there you will need to enter the card details like the security code, card number and its expiry date. And after entering all the details, click on Activate button to activate your REI Mastercard. So by following these steps, you can easily activate your REI Mastercard. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.